Ladies and gentlemen, it is with great excitement that I present to you tonight, all the way from Belgium, on the first stop of their world tour, from Minneapolis Records, the Euro Gold Records, for Deutsche Platinum. The hottest thing to come out of the common market since it was formed, the Clownekuchen und SlimeClowns, the SlimeClowns and their neo-Turkish beats. Since it was formed, the Clownekuchen und SlimeClowns, the SlimeClowns and their neo-Turkish beats.